Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today we'll be taking a look at our mini fanless industrial box PC, the IPC2115A. Let's take a look. The IPC2115A is built on an Intel Alder Lake N100 quad-core CPU. It has Intel UHD Graphics. It has system memory options of 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM. There's storage options from 128 GB up to 2 TB SSD. It has a TPM 2.0 module to secure sensitive data. There's 2 HDMI outputs, which are up to 4K quality. It has a black aluminum heatsink and SECC steel chassis, an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has a 12-pin digital I/O terminal block connector. You can purchase an optional Wi-Fi card and 2 antennae along with Bluetooth 5.2 support. You can choose Windows 10 or 11 as well as Linux, desktop or server, and it's VESA or wall mount. When you first receive your IPC2115A, this is the box it'll come in, so you want to open your box, remove the foam. First thing you'll see is the Maple Systems warranty. And then inside the box, there are some accessories, and then your IPC2115A is right here, and it's wrapped in anti-static plastic. Can remove that. Underneath the IPC2115A is a VESA plate for VESA mounting. Then there are some more accessories. You have your input power cable right here. In another box, there is a 12 to 24 volt step down power converter, which is up to 10 amps and 120 watts. Then there is a VESA mounting bracket kit. So you have your 4 standoffs and 4 75 by 75 millimeter VESA screws. It also comes with your terminal block for your GPIO, as well as a terminal block for your remote power switch. Okay, let's go over the I/O on the front of the IPC2115A. Starting over on the left, you have your power button. Below that is the remote power switch. Then you have 2 serial COM ports, which are DE9P. There are 3 USB 2.0 host ports. There's 1 USB 3.0 host port. Then at the bottom is the GPIO, or the digital I/O, which is a terminal block connector. On the back of the unit, there's some more I/O. Starting over on the left, there is a 3.5mm headphone out port, then a 3.5mm mic in port. There are 2 HDMI display output ports, which are 4K quality. There are 4 USB 2.0 host ports, 2 gigabit RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports. Then there's your DC 12 volt power input. There are 4 DE9P serial COM ports. And then right here are where the optional Wi-Fi antenna fixtures would be installed. And then on the bottom is where the VESA bracket standoff mount would be installed. Also on the bottom is the model name and build number, and you will need the build number when you reorder your box PC. Also, right above the model name, there will be an embedded or a non-embedded Windows license. You have the option of purchasing a non-embedded, meaning Windows is not activated and you need to activate it yourself when you receive the unit. So you will need to scratch off the code right here and activate it yourself. Or you can purchase an embedded Windows license, meaning that Windows is activated for you right here at Maple Systems, and then you will receive your unit and it'll essentially be plug and play. You also have the option of purchasing Linux instead of Windows. Okay, now I'm going to power on the IPC2115A, and I also have one of our industrial monitors here. This is one of our high brightness industrial monitors. It's the MON 1016 APHV2. So I have an HDMI going out of the box PC into the industrial monitor. I'm going to display here on the monitor, and then I also have these wired up into a power supply. So I'm going to turn on the power supply, and the box PC is going to boot up as well as the monitor. You'll see the user welcome screen. And there it is. Well, that wraps up everything today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PCs, you can go to the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.